I look like I was born like this. I woke up like this. I'm speechless. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I have a very special wear test and review. I am going to be testing out the Chanel foundation, not at one, but 2 raves. Dirty December is in full swing and Diola is going not all out, but she's still having a very good time. So today I am going to be wearing the Chanel foundation, taking it out into the world and seeing how it performs. Will this foundation survive 2 raves? Continue watching to find out. So I am on the Chanel website right now on the foundation page, and I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit of product information. You know, let's hear what the brand has to say about the foundation before we put it on. So the name of this foundation is the Les Beiges. Let me actually look up how to pronounce Les Beiges.
Of the Le Beige 2020 collection.
Le Beige. The Le Beige Healthy Glow Foundation, Hydration, and Longwear. According to this website, they have 34 shades available, which is pretty good. So the brand describes it as a natural looking foundation that infuses the skin with radiance of a day spent in the great outdoors. Its fine, silky texture glides over skin and forms a layer that is both invisible to the eye and impeccable to the touch, like a second skin. It's a combination of light reflecting powders and pigments make the skin's texture appear smoother. Imperfections are diminished. The complexion is unified without a trace. With its adjustable coverage and long wear formula, skin glows for 12 hours. The formula also protects skin from external aggressors such as pollution. Enriched with hydrating ingredients, it delivers a sensation of immediate comfort and hydrates the skin day after day. Available in 35 shades, the Le Beige, is that the right way? I just learned how to say it. Anyway, the Le Beige Healthy Glow Foundation, Hydration, and Longwear allows each woman to find a shade that is a perfect match. That description just, you know, made me excited to actually play with this foundation and test it out, because I'm just like, wow, how long wearing and how hydrating and how smooth is this foundation really going to make my skin. So this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. It has the classic Chanel, you know, black label down here. This foundation is 30 millimeters, aka 1 fluid ounce, and this is what it looks like. It has a pump. You guys know how much I love a good pump. So with a pump, I can figure out, okay, 3 pumps for like light coverage, 6 pumps for heavy coverage, that kind of thing. Shake, 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 shake it. Let's go. Woo! Okay, so this is it. Ignore that. But it's pretty runny. Like immediately just went down my arm like that. It actually has a really pleasant smell. Like it definitely has a little bit of a scent. So if your skin is sensitive to scent, maybe watch out for this. It smells like cream. Yeah, it smells like nice cream. Like a really nice cream, like a really nice body cream. Okay, I'm gonna be using my beauty blender or my booty blender to take this baby and apply it to my skin. It's so pretty. It is super pretty. Like that is the first thing that comes to my head. Like it just, wow. My skin looks so pretty. That's the thing that's just coming to my head. Like my skin is pretty. Like I can see what they're talking about, like the blurring and the smoothness. It's like I have a Facetune filter. Like it's my skin, but like I took a little bit of that filter, of that editing tool, and I kind of just blurred it out. I'm just gonna come in closer for you guys to see what it looks like. It really does give this lovely smooth coverage and smooth skin. Like it's blurring. I actually haven't looked in a mirror. I've just been using the viewfinder. Let me look at myself in the mirror. Whoa, that is nice. That is really nice light coverage. I'm gonna add 2 more pumps because I want a little bit more coverage on my cheeks. Plus I also want to see how the coverage, you know, builds up. It has a really pleasant smell, and the smell goes away once you blend, so it doesn't stick around. This foundation is so pretty. That is the first thing that comes to mind. That's the way I really just want to describe it. It is so pretty. Two, it just makes me look healthy, and I do get what it means, like the glow of a great outdoors. Like, I look glowy from the inside out. I look like I have the clearest skin ever. Like, I look like I do not deal with hyperpigmentation. I look like I was born like this. I woke up like this. I'm pretty good with the coverage I have so far, and I'm really happy. I'm just blown away. And this is the final makeup look. First thoughts on the Beiges Healthy Glow foundation. It's gorgeous. You guys saw how pretty it made my skin. It really just smoothened out everything. I'm actually speechless. It just makes my skin look like skin. How pretty. I keep saying the word pretty, but like, it's just pretty. It's just gorgeous. This foundation looks like it can give you like a very beautiful minimal skin-like finish, but still giving you like a little bit of coverage. It's like above a CC cream, if you know what I mean. It has more coverage than a CC cream, but it's still very light. It's very beautiful, very glowy, and I cannot wait to take this bad boy out on the town. It is currently 4:37 right now, and I'm going to be getting dressed and heading out to the first rave. Before I go to the next one, I'm gonna give you guys a little check-in video so you can see how this foundation is holding up. The first rave I'm going to is going to be outdoors. It's a garden rave, so I know the sun is going to be on me. I want to know how this is gonna hold up. Also want to see how it wears over time. Does it become patchy? If I sweat, will it, you know, drip down? Like, what is this gonna look like over time, you know, a couple of hours in? Is the glow really going to, you know, glow? Like, will I be looking like a really shiny disco ball at the end of the night? Because I'm interested to see how this healthy glow is gonna come through and play as the day goes on. Next time you guys are gonna see me is going to be the first check-in for the foundation. It is 11:50 and this is my first check-in for the Chanel foundation. As you can see, my face still looks gorgeous and beautiful. I don't even think I look oily or glowy at all. I'm in front of a mirror right now looking at myself, and honestly, it's just a healthy, beautiful glow. Maybe I can touch up a little bit on my forehead and just here, but apart from that, the foundation is doing so well, and I'm absolutely gorgeous, and I love the way it's looking. I am back from the first rave. I'm actually in my friend Farida's hotel room, and I am about to order my cab and head to the second rave. So the foundation has survived one rave. Let's see how it does with the second rave. So far so good. It's looking really good. I am absolutely in love with the way my skin is looking and the way the foundation is wearing throughout the evening and night. My next check-in will most likely be my last check-in, so see you guys then. Hello. This is the final check-in for my Chanel foundation review. It is 2:45 right now. I've had this makeup on since 4:30. So I've had this makeup for close to 10 hours, and this is what my face looks like. I honestly believe that if I touch up my face, I'll be good to go for another couple of hours because the foundation is still looking pretty good on my face. I am glowy in my T-zone, which is like my forehead, my nose, and my cheeks right here. They're very glowy, but I can still go on. I can still dance the night away if I want to. The Chanel foundation survived 2 raves. I was sweating, it was hot, and yet I still look gorgeous. Like, again, as I said, I just need to touch up. Once I touch up, I'll still be looking fantastic and looking good. I absolutely love the way this foundation worked on my skin. Now, would I advise you to buy this foundation? A part of me is like yes, and a part of me is no. This foundation is retailing for about 40,000 naira. If you have the means and you want a beautiful long wearing medium coverage skin like foundation, then go ahead. If not, I do think that there are more affordable foundations out there that maybe will not give you the skin like finish, but will give you a beautiful smooth coverage, and you will enjoy it. Now, will those foundations last and get through 2 raves? That I don't know. The foundation is 40,000 naira, so it is a bit pricey, but I do think it is one of those special occasion foundations. You know, a foundation you wear when you know you want to go out. Final review, final outcome. This foundation is really great, really pretty. After hours and hours, at least 10 hours of wear, this is what we have, and I think it is a stunner. Thank you all so much for watching this video and for being here. You guys have no idea. And now I just want to go to bed. Please do not forget to blend the foundation into the subscribe button so that you can join my family here on YouTube. Also, do not forget to use your concealer on the like button so you can tell YouTube that you like this video and to recommend it to other people as well. And also, do not forget to set your makeup with the notification bell so that you always get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.